Welcome to Financial Freedom Basics, your go-to channel for mastering the fundamentals of personal finance and achieving financial independence. Today, we're diving into one of the cornerstone practices of financial success, budgeting. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial freedom or looking to refine your money management skills, mastering the art of budgeting is crucial. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses. It's a strategic tool that empowers you to allocate your income wisely, prioritize your financial goals, and ultimately take control of your financial future. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of creating a budget that works for you, covering everything from managing your needs to balancing your wants and planning for long-term investments. Understanding your income and expenses is the first step. By categorizing your spending into needs, like housing, utilities, and groceries, and wants, such as entertainment and dining out, you'll gain clarity on where your money goes each month. We'll explore practical strategies to optimize spending in both categories, ensuring you not only cover essentials, but also enjoy life without overspending. Moreover, we'll delve into the often overlooked aspect of budgeting, investing. Setting aside a portion of your income for investments like stocks or retirement funds is key to building wealth over time. We'll demystify investment options and discuss how budgeting plays a pivotal role in securing your financial future. Whether you're aiming to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or build a nest egg, mastering the art of budgeting is your first step towards financial empowerment. Join us as we equip you with the tools and knowledge to create a budget that aligns with your goals and paves the way towards lasting financial freedom. Understanding your income and expenses. Understanding your income and expenses forms the foundation of effective financial management. Income encompasses all sources of earnings, including salaries, freelance work, investments, and passive income streams. Knowing your total income enables you to set realistic financial goals and allocate funds strategically. On the other hand, expenses encompass everything you spend money on, categorized into fixed, variable, and discretionary expenses. Fixed expenses include recurring bills like rent or mortgage payments and insurance premiums. Variable expenses fluctuate month to month, such as groceries and utilities. Discretionary expenses cover non-essential items like dining out and entertainment. By comprehensively categorizing your expenses, you gain clarity on where your money goes and can identify areas for potential savings. This awareness empowers you to prioritize spending according to your financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying down debt, or investing for the future. Effective management of income and expenses involves regularly tracking and reviewing your financial transactions. Tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets can simplify this process, providing insights into your spending patterns and helping you make informed decisions to achieve long-term financial stability and freedom. Understanding these fundamentals sets you on the path to financial empowerment and success. Needs. Allocating money for essentials. Allocating money for essentials, often referred to as needs, is a fundamental aspect of responsible budgeting and financial planning. These essentials encompass the critical expenses required to maintain your basic standard of living and ensure financial stability. Firstly, needs typically include housing costs such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities like electricity and water bills, and essential groceries and healthcare expenses. These are expenses that are necessary for day-to-day living and cannot easily be eliminated or reduced. To effectively allocate money for needs, it's crucial to prioritize these expenses within your budget. Start by listing out all essential costs and estimating their monthly amounts based on past expenditures or current market rates. This helps in creating a realistic budget that ensures these critical expenses are always covered. Moreover, finding ways to reduce these costs without compromising on quality is key. This could involve negotiating better rates with service providers, shopping for groceries strategically, or exploring energy-saving options for utilities. By actively managing these expenses, you not only ensure financial stability, but also free up funds for other important financial goals, such as savings or investing. Budgeting for needs also involves planning for unexpected expenses or emergencies, such as car repairs or medical bills. Building an emergency fund can provide a financial cushion during times of unforeseen costs, ensuring that you stay on track with your overall financial plan. By prioritizing and managing your needs effectively, you lay a solid foundation for financial security and peace of mind, enabling you to confidently pursue your long-term financial goals and aspirations. Wants. Budgeting for lifestyle choices. Budgeting for lifestyle choices, often referred to as wants, is a crucial part of balancing financial priorities and enjoying life responsibly. Wants encompass discretionary expenses that enhance your quality of life but are not essential for survival. These can include dining out, entertainment, travel, hobbies, and luxury items. When budgeting for wants, it's important to strike a balance between enjoying life now and planning for future financial goals. Start by identifying your discretionary spending habits and categorizing them into different types of wants based on their importance and frequency. Setting limits on discretionary spending helps prioritize your financial goals. Allocate a specific portion of your income towards wants, ensuring that it aligns with your overall budgeting strategy. This approach allows you to indulge in activities or purchases that bring you joy while avoiding overspending that could jeopardize your financial stability. Moreover, finding ways to enjoy your wants without breaking the bank is key. Look for discounts, promotions, or alternative activities that align with your budget. For example, consider cooking at home instead of dining out frequently, or exploring free or low-cost entertainment options. Regularly reviewing your discretionary spending ensures that your budget remains realistic and adaptable to changes in income or financial priorities. It also promotes mindful spending habits, where every purchase contributes to your overall happiness and financial well-being. By consciously budgeting for wants, you not only prioritize what matters most to you, but also cultivate a healthy relationship with money. This approach empowers you to enjoy life's pleasures responsibly while working towards long-term financial freedom and security. Investing. Planning for the future investing is a strategic financial practice aimed at building wealth over time and securing your financial future. It involves allocating money into various financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate with the expectation of generating returns. Planning for the future through investing is essential for achieving long-term financial goals like retirement, education funds, or achieving financial independence. When planning for the future through investing, it's important to consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives. Diversifying your investment portfolio can help spread risk and maximize potential returns. This might include balancing higher risk, higher reward investments with more stable, income-generating assets. Starting early and consistently contributing to your investments can leverage the power of compounding over time, allowing your money to grow exponentially. Educating yourself about different investment options and seeking advice from financial professionals can also help you make informed decisions aligned with your goals. By incorporating investing into your financial plan, you not only aim to grow your wealth, but also build a solid foundation for achieving long-term financial security and realizing your dreams. Practical steps to create and maintain a budget. Creating and maintaining a budget involves several practical steps to effectively manage your finances. Start by tracking your income and categorizing expenses into needs, essential living costs, wants, discretionary spending, and savings investments. Set specific financial goals, such as saving for emergencies or paying off debt, and allocate funds accordingly. Use budgeting tools like apps or spreadsheets to monitor spending and adjust as needed. Regularly review your budget to track progress and make adjustments based on changes in income or expenses. Stay disciplined by sticking to your budgeted limits and prioritizing essential expenses over wants. By consistently following these steps, you can achieve financial stability, reduce financial stress, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals effectively. In conclusion, mastering the art of budgeting, allocating for needs, balancing wants, and planning for investing is essential for achieving financial freedom. By understanding your income and expenses, you can prioritize spending, build savings, and invest wisely for the future. Take the first step today by creating a budget tailored to your goals and financial situation. I encourage you to implement what you've learned and start budgeting with purpose. Your financial journey begins with small, consistent steps towards a secure future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Financial Freedom Basics for more insightful tips on managing your money effectively.